Hi guys, so yeah, I got this packet from Japan before I came back to England, and it's like a DIY set to make a little Japanese store, so it's gonna be exciting. And yet so many different alternate versions you can make as well, more stores, more little houses you can make, and then all the instructions are in Japanese, so this should be interesting. From here.
A few moments later.
Hi.
So I got my dad to help out with this because I can't read Japanese, and I think without him it won't happen. Alright, what should we do first then, Dad?
So first of all, this one.
Oh yeah, right.
Paper.
Paper is wrapped around this. This, we didn't know where it was, and then I figured this orange thing kind of looked like it. Yeah, I mean it's pretty long.
75 centimeters.
Alright, so I had to measure each.
59 millimeter. 59.
So it'd be 5.9.
Yeah. Centimeter. This is I think that is behind
The base. No.
A base.
It's the base. So this is, I think this is it. I already figured this out before. Look at that. Ah, yeah. So this glue.
Can hold it.
You want to smell it?
Yeah.
Smell like fish, right? Smelly fish.
Upside down.
Yeah.
Careful, SpongeBob! Careful, SpongeBob!
There you go. It's all glued down nicely. Ish. Just have to wait till it dries. And it's like, yeah, really picky these glues.
10 なの ?10 の102.
So this is for the tatami. Look at that. It's actually, it looks exactly like it. How have you all been? Have you been well? Lots of people getting colds. I'm recovering from a cold, so my throat might be still a bit groggy. Yes, beep. This is the flooring of my little store. Cupboard. It's all orange inside and outside. The sides and the back. What have we done so far? It's all coming together at the sides. Ooh, exciting. So the base. The biggest piece, we put the long sticks around it. Yep, so this roof needs to really be stuck on, or it'll just slide off. Yes.
大屋根を組み立てましょう。
Roof! Roof!
Each of the glue put there, so one by one.
Oh my gosh, really?
Yeah, I think so.
めんどくせえ。
それはめんどくさいよ。So this means each of this cutting that is nicely
So put loads of glue.
いや、もうローズちょっと。
Would you like something like this when you were younger, Dad?
No chance.
Why?
Parents. Okay, you can go in the mountain. Pick up this old stuff and carrying any wood to take back the home.
Wood
Come
for the
on.
fire.
Carrying the heavy one heavy one, 60 kilo, 100 kilo.
On your back.
Yeah, no shoulder.
Oh. But what would you use the wood for?
For making the house.
NANI?!
You're building your house.
No, for selling the wood.
Oh. So you'll get the wood from the mountains and you'll sell them.
Yeah.
Oh yeah? You'll chop the wood.
Yeah.
Oh.
My father chopped.
I see. You chan wood.
Yeah, always helping the parents.
Oh. So what, you and uncle would do that?
Yeah, my brother.
Like
Don't
sister,
work, don't study. Come on.
Yeah, don't study.
Yeah, no chance, busy time.
They don't want you to study.
Not every day, not today.
It's not boring.
It's not boring. What is enjoying? Everything boring.
Oh, you didn't like it then?
Of course, who like it? The same as you. I don't like, basically.
You are forced. Doesn't wanting.
I don't want it. No choice. If it doesn't eat, no dinner.
Look at it now. So I hope we can let it dry for a little bit and then we trim it around. Make sure it's all the same length here. So we just trimmed it and this is what it looks like. Looks like a nice clean cut. For the flag and windows and all that stuff.
Do you need to show me?
Windows.
2.6 and 2.9.
See, just wrap it around like a present. This is the top bit, this is it, and you just wrap it around like that. Let's see how it looks like first. Looks like that. So now these like this. These are the sticks that came with it. Looks like some like wooden, bamboo looking sticks, huh? Eating crisps, not good for your health.
Oh my god!
So basically we had lots of bits and bobs to make, small little pieces to connect together, to glue together. Cats, some tables, you just put a cloth on. Had to cut out the paper and the cloth to put this table together, and another table. And then some trays that was on the instruction sheet just to cut out. And lots of dango. So we had like what? Maybe 6 of those little sticks.
So before making noren is we need to find out thick paper.
Huh?
We need a paper, thick paper.
Found thick paper of the Body Shop. Lots of beadies. Beady beady. Alright, should we put on the roof now and finish it up? Yes, let this better in. So found some pebbles that I collected actually on beaches from places I visited. This is what it's supposed to look like. And then bang! There it is. Oh! Oh my god, stop it. So Dad hasn't seen the final result yet because he just went to, you know, take a nap, just chill, because he worked so hard on this. He needed time to rest, so let's show him the final result, see his reaction. I hope it's a good reaction. I mean, look at it. It looks so cute. I love it so much. I actually want the whole collection now because that was actually really fun. I love little things like this. It's like crafting, sort of little DIY sort of stuff. Oh my god. Why doesn't England do stuff like this? Like, they should. But yeah, let's go show him, hey. There he is. What do you think?
Oh, very nice.
You wanna look closer? What do you think?
Oh.
I can look inside.
Oh, you brought a stone.
Yeah. Good idea, ne? You like it?
Great.
Good?
Yeah.
You enjoyed yourself?
Yeah.
Had fun?
Nice. Lovely. Exactly the picture じゃないの。
Yeah, exactly like the picture. Jajan, finish.
Jajan, finish.
Yay. You enjoy this stuff?
Yeah, very
like
nice.
Do you want more?
No, enough.
I would like to do more, to be honest. Does it look like in your childhood days?
No.
Oh.
Before.
Oh, we are like way Oji-chan time?
おじいちゃんだよ No. This is
Yeah.
江戸時代。江戸 age. 1800.
Samurai times. Do you have any samurai in our history?
No. We are farmer.
We're farmers? All of them? All of us? Everyone?
Yeah. All farmer.
Really? Are you sure? How do you know? What did you say?
History. All farmer.
Aw, no assassins, no ninjas.
No.
That's sad.
Yeah.
Nice
Lovely time.
father-daughter time.
Yeah.
Ah,
In the filming.
new filming. Good memories. Memorial time. Better.
Memorial time.
Alright.
Yeah. That's it.
So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Any message, comment that?
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Alright, you can
Bye
wave them off. Bye. みんな一等賞。